On your phone, go to the Company Portal App. Select FleetSafer. Click on Install or Reinstall. Go back to your home page. On the App Installation pop-up box, click on Install. When FleetSafer has finished installing, open the FleetSafer app. On the Use of Contact Information pop-up box, click on Grant Permission Now. Click on OK. Then click on Next. On the Notifications pop-up box, click on Grant Permission Now. Click on Allow, then click on Next. In the Automatic Activation pop-up box, click on Grant Permission Now. You will be asked to update your location settings. Click on Settings. Find the FleetSafer app, and then click on Location. Select Always. Then go back to the FleetSafer app. Click on Done. Congratulations! You have now installed FleetSafer.